Hello and welcome to Learn Python 5 Minutes a Day series. Today is our lesson number 3. What do we have in here? Today we're going to learn about what is arithmetic operator, what are different types of arithmetic operators in Python, and then we're going to write some Python program for all these operators. So what's an arithmetic operator? So first thing, the word operator, it's a symbol that performs an operation on one or more values. And so arithmetic operator is that performs an arithmetic operation on one or more two values. That's all to it. So from your high school lessons, what are the different types of arithmetic operations you do? You add things, you subtract things, you multiply values, you divide values, you raise the values by power, or you try to find a remainder of value when you divide one number by the other number. So here is our table that represents that how it is represented in a math book and how does it look like in Python. So the difference that you will find is that the math book symbol for operator looks like a small x. In Python, it is represented by asterisk. In math, the division is represented by division symbol. In asterisk, it's represented by slash. Exponent is represented by asterisk. There is no mathematical symbol in the book for remainder. In Python, it is called modulo, and that is computes remainder. So let's see these operators in action. It's time to see our arithmetic operators in action. So I have 6 problems for each of the operators. So first one says car travels 120 miles in 4 hours. So what is the speed of this car? So distance is 120. Time taken is 4 hours. So speed is what? Distance divided by time. So let's print our speed equals, let's run it. As you expected, 30 miles an hour. Next problem, the square has a side length of 6 units. So how do we compute the area of a square? Again, a high school lesson which says area of square is you square the side. So side is 6. And what is the arithmetic operator that we're going to use? That is what? Our exponent that we're going to use to raise the power of side by 2. So area is side exponent represented by 2 asterisks 2. So we print the area is what? So what should be the area? Let's run it. As you expected, area is what? 36. The next problem is we have 17 chocolates equally divided amongst 5 kids. So how many chocolates are left? So now we are saying pay attention to the word which says remaining, and as we discussed, modulo operator is used to find the remainder. So what do we have? Total is 17. Number of kids is 5. Remaining will be found by using our modulo operator that looks like %sign. And so now we're gonna print our remaining chocolates. So as you expected, only 2 chocolates are left after we have divided. I did not show you the first 3 problems. I'm going to leave those as something that I would like you to try and write the program for it. That is all we will need. That is all we have to do for the mathematical operators in Python. Thanks for learning with us. Do subscribe and like our channel. For more information about our academy and the other lessons, do visit our website. Till next lesson, goodbye. Take care.